See friends, use of brackets. How we can use? See here, I used a square bracket and I used flower bracket and normal bracket, round bracket. See the first question. I have used square brackets and flower bracket and the round bracket. Okay, all three I have used. And also observe this question here. Can you observe that line? This is what? Venculum. Why I am using this? Venculum is used for grouping the elements. Okay. So what we have to do now? See here. This term is in the bracket. So which is in the bracket, that we have to solve it first. In that also we have three elements. Right. So in three elements, these two are grouped again. Okay. Now we have to solve grouped one first. Okay. These two first we have to solve. Okay. Let's solve this one. So open bracket 6 as it is minus open flower bracket, again open round bracket 2 divided by as it is. We are solving venculum first. Okay. 3 minus 2 is how much? 1. Let's write 1. Close it bracket. Then we have multiplication symbol and 4 minus 7, close it, plus 8 and close. Okay. Now what we have to do? These two are in a bracket, right? Correct. So let's solve these two first. Is equal to 6 minus, this is what? 2 divided by 1 means what? It is 2 only, right? 2 into 4 minus 7, close bracket, plus 8, again close this. Okay. Now what we have to do? We know the BODMAS rule. We have to give a preference to multiplication now. See here, there is no division here. So we have a multiplication symbol in this bracket. Correct? So we have to solve these two. Okay. So 6 minus open flower bracket 4 2s are 8 minus 7 close flower bracket plus 8 and close the square bracket. Okay. Solve it again. These two are in a bracket. We'll solve that first. 6 minus 8 minus 7 is how much? 1. Now no need of brackets. We can remove that bracket. Okay, this is positive 1, right? So I'm writing positive 1 as it is. Okay, here anyways we have a negative, so I'm keeping that as it is. And here we have positive 8 and close the square bracket. Okay. Now let's solve everything. 6 minus 1 is how much? Which is 5. Okay. 5 minus 8. 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8. So which gives 13 as the result. Getting it? This much you have to solve. Got it? Why we are using this venculum and why the need of this brackets. Understood? So if we use brackets and the venculum, everybody gets same result. No difference in the results. That's why using of brackets is very important. Okay? Yes friends. Let's see this one. Removing of brackets. Right? How we can remove the brackets here? See the first rule here. If the expression within brackets is preceded by a positive sign, the brackets can be removed without changing the terms inside. Understood? So if we have positive sign, after that if we have any brackets, then we can remove the brackets. Inside term it doesn't change. Okay. See here, I am going to remove this bracket. So inside terms it doesn't changing their sign. Okay. See here, positive 3 as it is, negative 7 as it is, and positive 6 and positive 6 as it is. Okay, now we can solve this one, right? 5 plus 3 is how much? 8. 8 minus 7 is what? 1. 1 plus 6 is how much? Which is 7, right? So here we are getting the answer as 7. Understood? So this first property, which is very important. Got it? See the next rule. If the expression within brackets is preceded by a negative sign, then to remove the brackets, all positive sign inside should be changed to negative and vice versa. And vice versa is nothing but negative sign will also get changed. Okay. So here if you have any negative sign, see here we have a bracket. So in preceding what we have a negative sign. That's why what happens when we remove the bracket, positive number will change to negative, negative number will change to positive. Okay. 8 plus 3 is there. We are removing the bracket. That's why this becomes negative 3. Okay. Negative 2 is there. We are removing the bracket. That's why negative 2 becomes positive 2. Okay. Positive 7 is there. Then this will convert it into negative 7. Got it? Now we'll simplify this. 8 minus 3 is how much? 5. Correct? 8 minus 3 is what? 5. 5 plus 2 is how much? 5 plus 2 is how much? 7. Right? These 2 is what? 7. Then 7 minus 7 is how much? Which is 0. So 0 is our final result. Got it? Let's see one example now. Okay. Vinay had 10 marbles. He lost 3 of them and gave the rest to the Amir. Amir added 5 of his own marbles and shared the collection equally with Tanvir. Tanvir sold each marble for 3 rupees. Write an expression for the money Tanvir earned. Okay. This is what the question. It's look like a bigger question, right? But the expression will come in only one line. Okay? It's very simple. Just understand the question first, then try to apply it. How can we simplify with a mathematical form? Let's see that. Okay? Vinay had 10 marbles, right? How many marbles Vinay have? 10 marbles. That's right. 10 marble. I'm just writing the values. Okay? Because we want just an expression. Mathematical expression. That's it. Okay? Vinay had 10 marbles. I wrote it. Let's keep a equal sign. He lost 3 of them. Right? He lost 3 of them. 10 minus 3, right? He lost means subtracted. Okay? 10 minus 3. Okay? This is what Vinay's data. Correct? This is what Vinay's data. Vinay had 10 marbles and he lost 3 of them. Okay? And gave that rest to the Amir. He gave it to the Amir. Okay? So whatever he getting this one, so he is giving to the Amir. Okay? Here whatever the leftover, it is 7. Correct? It is 7. He gave this 7 marbles to the Amir. Fine. Let's see now. Amir added 5 of his own marble. Amir added 5 more marbles to this. So 7 marbles Vinay gave to Amir and Amir added 5 more his marble to that marble. So what is the value now here? 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is how much? So this is what? 12. Right? This is 12. Now see. And shared the collection equally with Tanvir. Amir shared his marble equally with Tanvir. So how many people are there here? Amir and Tanvir. Right? 2 people. Here Amir is there. Another one Tanvir is there. Okay? Amir is sharing to the 2 people, right? Including him, 1 more person. So 2 members, right? Then what we have to write? He has totally 12 marbles and he is going to divide equally in the sense divided by 2, because there are 2 person. That's why if you have 3 person, 4 person means then we have to take a 4 or a 3. It depends on the people. Okay. So this is what 12 by 2, because he is sharing that marbles equally. That's why I am writing what 12 by 2. So here what we are getting, 2 ones are 2 6 are. So we are getting 6. Each person can get 6 marbles. Okay. Tanvir sold each marble for rupees 3. Okay. He is selling 1 marble at the cost of 3 rupees. Okay. We have 6 marbles. Each of them have 6 marbles. Okay. 6 marble. 1 marble cost is 3 rupees. When we multiply 6 into 3, we will get the total cost of that marble. Got it? 6 into 3 is what? 18. Correct? So 18 rupees. Total cost. Write an expression for the money Tanvir earned. Tanvir earned 18 rupees. Got it? This is what I splitted and we solved the problem. How can we write this in a single expression? Any idea? Let's write that. Here what is the first data? 10 minus 3, right? Out of 10, Vinay lost 3 marbles. Again, what he is doing? He is giving to the Amir. And Amir is what? Amir added 5 more marbles to this. Correct? Amir is added 5 more marbles to this. Let's keep flower bracket to this. Okay, we can use many brackets. Okay. So here 5 marbles he added. Then he is going to share equal part to Tanvir. Equal part means what? Divided by 2. Let's keep one more bracket for this. And Tanvir sold each marble for the rupees of 3 rupees. When we multiply 3 to this, we will get the right answer. See, 10 minus 3 we have to solve first. Correct? Then for that we have to add 5. Again, whatever the value you will get for this, you have to divide by 2. And here you are getting some value. That value should multiply with 3. Got it? This is what a single line expression. Okay. Here we simplified in a sentence wise form. Got it? This is a single expression. Simple? Right. These are what? Today's topic. Understood? So we completed simplification of numerical expression, use of brackets, BODMAS rule. Using the BODMAS rule again we learned, and removing of brackets, and one more thing, Venkilam also we learned, right? So these are about some more concepts from this chapter. Okay, thanks for watching this video, friends. If you like my video, then please do like and share it to your family and friends. Who are all new to my channel, then please subscribe and support me. And don't forget to hit a bell icon so you will get a notifications of my next videos. Thank you. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.